What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't ignore, remember once more.
Tang hadin katuk ni kenta balalap ya kamet yap jong ukena ubaja na nongra na klau maupat. Mentapat sa kawe kamet yap jong ka kena ka wadang katlay snem rta lalap na kawe ka klau shnong hatan Ri Bhoi district ha kabala suba jur bakala shah pyniap dusman. Ki pulit ki athu bakani ka kena kalajak klep ha ka khandai terik risau na du kapor kumba khatwe beje men step hadin bakalawan pai na school. Hadian kani ki bahaying kila penlong ke jingwat haringkat ki para shnong hadian bakila lapan ban ya kamet yap jongka ha kapor kumba nyo arpo beje menmit na klau shnong. Nakaliang ki pulit kilawan poi mardor sya kani ke jaka batlum ya ki sakhi satar na kebentaban penlong ya ke jing token. Katkum ki dak ki syen ki bapau la ong bakani ke kena kala shah pyniap dusman.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.